In this guide, you'll learn how to fix Duet or Stitch option not showing on TikTok. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your TikTok app, navigate to any of the video in which you want to stitch or duet. Click on the share option once you find the video. If the options are missing or grayed out, this means the user has not allowed it to duet or stitch on their video. If the video creator has turned them off, you won't be able to use them no matter what. If that's not the issue, the next region could be your app version. So you'll need to update it. Launch your app store, search for the app TikTok. After app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Updating often restores missing features and fixes bugs that prevent Duet and Stitch from appearing. Next step is completely closing the TikTok app and relaunching it. Sometimes a quick restart resets permission errors and reconnects your app to TikTok server settings. If the feature is still missing after updates and restart, check your account settings. Click on three bars, go to Settings and Privacy, then Privacy, and make sure that the Duet and Stitch are not turned off under Safety. These toggles need to be enabled for your account to access those features, and that's it. With these, your problem might be fixed. As a last resort, you can completely delete TikTok from your device and reinstall it. This might bring those features back. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.